Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. To solve this problem, we can write a 19 as 16 plus 3 and 16 equals 4 to the power 2 and 3 equals to square root of 3 to the power of 2. 8 times radical 3 can be written as 2 times 4 times radical 3. And by perfect square formula, 4 to the power 2 plus square root of 3 to the power 2 plus 2 times 4 times square root of 3 equals to 4 plus square root of 3 all to the power of 2. 4 plus square root of 3 can come out from this radical, and we're going to get x equals 13 over 4 plus square root of 3. Now we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying up and bottom by the conjugate of 4 plus square root of 3. Conjugate of 4 plus square root of 3 is 4 minus square root of 3. 4 plus square root of 3 times 4 minus square root of 3 equals 4 to the power 2 minus square root of 3 to the power 2, or 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 equals to 13, and 13 is going to cancel out from the denominator and numerator, and x is going to be 4 minus square root of 3. Now we need to evaluate this expression. We want to make the denominator in the numerator expression. Minus 6 times x cubed can be written as minus 8x cubed plus 2 times x cubed. Also, minus 2 times x squared can be written as 15x squared minus 17x squared. Now we can factor out x squared from this term, and this term. So we're going to get x squared times x squared minus 8 times x plus 15. As you can see, this expression and the denominator are same. Minus 17x squared equals to minus 16x squared minus x squared. Also, 18 times x equals to 13 times x minus 12 times x. If we factor out 2 times x from this term, and this term, we're going to get 2 times x squared minus 18 times x plus 15. If we divide x squared times x squared minus 18 times x plus 15 over x squared minus 18 times x plus 15, we're going to get x squared. And if we divide 2 times x squared minus 8 times x plus 15 over x squared minus 8 times x plus 15, we're going to get 2 times x. So we're going to get x squared plus 2 times x plus minus x squared minus 12 times x plus 23 over x squared minus 8 times x plus 15. We can factor out minus 1 from the numerator, and 2 times x can be written as minus 8 times x plus. So we're going to get this expression. As you can see, we have x squared minus 8 times x in here, and in here. So we need to calculate x squared minus 8 times x. We replace x by 4 minus square root of 3 in this expression, and we're going to get 4 minus square root of 3 to the power 2 minus 8 times 4 minus square root of 3. By expanding this expression, we're going to get x squared minus 8 times x equals minus 13. So we replace x squared minus 8 times x by minus 13. Now replace x by 4 minus square root of 3 in here and in here. Minus 13 plus 15 becomes 2, and in the numerator minus 13 plus 18 minus 23 becomes 14, 4. 14, 4 minus 20 times square root of 3 over 2 equals to 22 minus 10 square root of 3, and by multiplying this expression by minus 1 we're going to get minus 22 plus 10 times the square root of 3, and this term is going to cancel out, and minus 13 plus 14 minus 22 equals to 5.